Hello, I'm Matt Rizzo. This is my CEL project. For my CEL project, I wanted to create a surfboard that that was made from all sustainable materials, which is different from other surfboards because it can be like reproduced without creating more waste. Um, so to start off, I found a shape that I liked on the internet. Then I went into Fusion 360 and I used the trace tool and I uploaded this photo and then I traced it and I turned it into an object, and then as you can see on the sides it's like curved. So yeah, it created I used the fillet function to in Fusion 360 to like around the edges, and I took this model and I uploaded it to a another thing called Slicer, which takes it and makes it into like kind of like a ribbed system, and that looks like this. It's a yeah, it looks just a bunch of ribs, and once I did that, I put them together and I created like I created the board. The problem is that right here, the first problem I ran to really was um, right here. The ribs were too small to fit together, and they fell apart. So I got rid of this end, and then I put it together, and then I had to fiberglass it. So I used a hemp fiberglass because that's very sustainable, and it's come from the hemp plant. And then I used a a sorry an epoxy resin made from like the runoff from paper making. So that was also bio based and eco friendly. And then I had some trouble. There was some holes where the fiberglass overlapped, so I had to put a layer of marine grade like white epoxy putty over top, and that just made it overall stronger. And then right there, I have a single fin, and that's put in with the epoxy, and so yeah, my board is different from most other boards because it's sustainable and it's eco friendly and it surfs. All right.